Hello everyone. In my last part, I made you familiar with this character McCavity and introduced new vocabulary also to you. I hope you understood those words. Today I'm going to explain this poem line by line to you and I expect that you listen to me very carefully. So let's go to the explanation of this poem and here we start. McCavity is a mystery cat. Is called the hidden paw. Now, McCavity was a mysterious cat, means people did not know much about it, so he was termed as a mystery cat. He's called the hidden paw. Hidden paw is also another nickname given to it. Paw is generally the foot of an animal, and he was called hidden paw because he was usually hidden, never seen. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He was a master criminal, a very well-known criminal who could disobey the law. He never followed any rules or regulations. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Squad's despair. Bafflement means confusion, and Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London Police Force. So everybody in London Police Force was confused about his identity. Even the Flying Squad's despair. Flying Squad is a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly whenever there is a disobedience of the civil law. So this police force or the soldiers who were ready to fight, who were ready to search for him, McCavity had created a lot of confusion and sadness for them because he was never caught. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. This confusion and sadness happened because whenever they reached the crime scene, he was always away. McCavity was never there. McCavity, McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. Now, McCavity is one of its kind. There was nobody like that cat. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Now, he was such a cat that who had broken every law and order of that place. Human law means the laws that we follow in our daily life. He breaks the law of gravity. Now, what is law of gravity? Means that we are grounded always. But whenever he used to commit a crime, he would disappear as if he had vanished into thin air. The law of gravity did not work on him at all. It was like that. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Now he had such powers of levitation. Levitation means to float in the air without support. He had those magical powers by which he could float in the air, and when the fakirs are the people who are like saint. They do not own any property. They live alone. They live a lonely life dedicated to God. That when these fakirs saw the magical powers of levitation of McCavity, they also used to stare at him in amazement. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. And whenever anybody tried to catch hold of McCavity or tried to catch him red-handed, he was never found on the crime scene. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. Now, if you try to find him, you may search him in the basement. Basement is an underground area. You may go underground or you may search him up in the air, in the sky. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Even if you search him in the ground or in the air, let me tell you this, that McCavity will never be found. He is never there. Students, this paragraph explains the surprising powers of McCavity. He was so powerful and so influenced by the magic that he could manage not to get caught by the police even after committing a horrendous crime. And everybody used to look in amazement. They used to be so surprised and distressed that how to catch him was one task that they could not ever finish. The paragraph that you now see in front of you explains the physical appearance of McCavity. Let's read it through. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Now, ginger cats are the cats who have light brown color, the color of ginger. That is why they are called as ginger cat. Now, first of all, the color of his coat was like ginger's color, and he was very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So, if in case or luckily you happen to see him, you would immediately recognize him because his eyes were sunken in. They were inside, they had gone inside the face. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. Now his eyebrow is deeply lined with thoughts. Means there are lines on his forehead as if he is thinking something. There are so many thoughts going on in his mind. His head is highly domed. Dome is a kind of shape, and his head was like a dome. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Now, coat here refers to the fur of the cat. And McCavity's coat was dusty, it was dirty because of the neglect. Neglect, why neglect? Because he did not have time to look after himself. He was all the time committing a crime. So he had ignored himself, not keeping it very clean. His whiskers are uncombed. Even the whiskers on his cheeks, the long hair on his cheeks were uncombed, they were unkept. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Now he moves his head. McCavity has a habit of moving his head from side to side, just like the movement of a snake. Now, movements like a snake, this line here represents a simile wherein the movement of McCavity's head is compared to the movement of a snake's head. And when you think he's half asleep, he is always wide awake. Now, this is how McCavity deceives or cheats everyone, that when we feel that he is half asleep, he's sleeping, but he is not. Actually, he is wide awake. He is just acting and cheating everyone. McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. Now, of course, there is no other cat in this entire world who is as bad as McCavity. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Fiend means a devil, and feline means pertaining to a cat's species. Feline is generally termed for cats. Like for dogs, we call them a canine species. So similarly for cats, we call them feline. So the poet here says that McCavity was a devil in a cat's shape, a monster of depravity. Depravity means immoral. So he was a monster who had all the immoral values inside him. There was not a tinge of morality inside him. He was like a devil. Whenever he committed a crime, he looked like a devil, but he was in a cat's shape. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. Now, you may otherwise in your daily life, you may meet him in a by street, a small street that is parallel to the main street is called as a by street. You may even see him in a square. A square is an open area in a city where people come and meet each other, and they unwind themselves, they sit for some time and relax. So sometimes you may find McCavity there, but whenever someone tries to catch him after a crime scene, he will not be spotted. But when a crime's discovered, then McCavity is not there. So the poet says that on usual days, you may find him on a street or in a square, but whenever there is a crime committed by him, after that, you will never see him again. Well, that's all for today. And in the next part, we are going to discuss the poetic devices used here and the question answers related to this poem. See you again on the same platform. Goodbye and all the best.